Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ms.K, and today was wash day for me, so I decided to do my hair in a protective style of crochet braids using the Freetress braid, the Go-Go Curl. I picked up about 4 or 5 packets of this at my local beauty supply. This is what the curl looks like, very pretty. So I got this in a number 4. The TP4-27. I think I got a color 27 and probably a mix of that because I didn't want to have too much going on. So I'm really excited right now because this is the first time that I've been able to get my braid pattern to look like this. I have been working on it, and I will say that this did take me a little bit of time, so I'm a little bit tired, but this is it right here, and then I just have the back just going straight back. Nothing special about that. I know you guys have seen that all over YouTube, so I won't bore you with that. I'm going to go in and moisturize my scalp. I did make up my own little mixture of that today, utilizing the sweet almond oil, avocado oil, vitamin E, jojoba oil, black Jamaican castor oil, coconut oil. I put a little bit of peppermint in there because I like the way that it makes my my scalp feel. And I also went in and put in some aloe vera gel. So I'll put all that into the description bar if you guys are interested, if you want to make that up yourself. It's a really great moisturizer to make sure that you have your hair taken care of underneath your protective style. And this is the little bottle that I put it in, and this is what it looks like. So with all of that being said, I'm going to go ahead and start styling my hair. I will, go ahead and install the crochet. Then I will come back a little bit after I get so far with my hair actually, and let you guys see where I am and kind of, I guess, see how I put a couple of them in, because like I said, I'm sure it's all over YouTube, but I did want to do this tutorial. And yeah, I will be back in a little bit. Okay, you guys, so as you can see, I am pretty much done. It's been a pretty long day because I have been doing my hair and stopping, taking breaks, doing other things in between. I am actually on my, I think, 5th pack of hair, actually, and I did not think that I was going to use 5 packs of hair, so I'm glad I picked that up. I have cut some of it just to kind of get a feel and see where or how much hair I had, because this is big hair. Once you really start doing it, it gets big. So I did cut it down some. I am going to go back in and put some layers in it to try to get it to calm down some, and then I'll also be going in with some of this sunny lotion or mousse to tame these curls to get it to kind of calm down some. I like big hair, but this is a lot. So far though, I'm loving the curl, as well as I truly like the color. I don't know if you can see it that well. This number 4 with the T27, I think. The number 4 to T27 might be a 32. I'm not 100% for sure. I'll list the information in the description bar below, but yeah, I like the way that it's turning out. I will say that it has taken me longer than I thought it was, but overall I'm pretty pleased with it. So let's go ahead and finish this up. I am opening up my latch hook. I'm going to go through the braid, have the hair like that, put it on there, close it, pull it through. There's my loop right here. I'm going to take this through 1, 2, 3, 4. pull that through. Take this hair just like this, fold it in half, open up my latch hook like this, go underneath the braid, secure that in there, close it, pull it back through. Now I have my loop and pull that through. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I am very pleased with the way that the hair turned out. I did wind up using a total of 5 packages of hair. I am so tired, you guys. So tomorrow when I get ready for work, I may record how I decide to wear it, because right now I can't even think about how I'm going to take and wear it. But I want to say thank you. If you have not subscribed to my channel already, please make sure that you hit that subscription button, as well as don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss my next upload. Okay, you guys, so I am back to give you an update on this hair. It's actually time for me to take the hair out. I believe I've had this hair in for 3 weeks, which is doing very well for me because I get bored with my hair really easily. It's not that there's anything wrong with the hair. Again, it's just that I get bored, as well as I like to make sure that I'm taking care of my natural hair. So it's time to wash and deep condition my hair and move on to the next style. With all of that being said, I still do like the hair. I'm getting compliments on the hair. The hair is still big. It's very big. And it's really hot where I am. So yeah, it's time for this to take and come out. Some tips that I would use or suggest when doing this style. I think I mentioned before that I did wind up using 5 packs of hair. I had no intentions on using 5 packs of hair. This is probably my second time doing a crochet on my hair. So let's put that out there. So I'm still a novice at this. I haven't gotten it down all the way. But if I can give a couple little tricks. One thing that I would do differently to ensure that I don't use as much hair, because this hair is already big on its own, I would definitely start around the perimeter first, and then fill in the middle, the back, then come back up to the top, and then fill in that middle section up in here. The reason that I say that is because, again, this hair is already big on its own, and I can't tell you how many of my little scrunchies that I broke. I was looking for one. I don't have one out, I don't think, but nonetheless, I broke so many of my scrunchies trying to just put it up into one ponytail. So yeah, it's a lot of hair. It's a lot of hair, but it's definitely, it's pretty. The curls have held up very well. I did not get a lot of shedding. Now daily I did go in with the mousse and scrunch it back up and kind of control some of the curls a little bit. And notice I said a little bit because it wasn't a lot at all. This hair was so big. It is big. It's big. I will turn around and let you see what it's looking like. And again, I've had it installed for 3 weeks. So here's of course the front. Turn around so you can see the back. So it's, like I said, it's holding up well, but I get bored easily, so it's just time to go to the next style. But you guys, overall, I do like the hair. I would suggest using the hair. I like the color combination, and again, I think I said it in earlier in the original recording with this, that I used 5 packages of hair, and I think I had three different colors. I believe I had 3 different colors, and it came out really well.